Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 4th, 2022. Yes, I'm going to talk about Lucid today, and I'm going to show you at times to where you come in and you look at the market, right? You come in and see what's been going on after you place your expectation down on the table. You begin to see that the market may not be going the way I originally intended it to go. And when it happens, you need to come in and make your adjustments, because if you don't, you will be increasing the losses. This is why it's so important for you to always go into knowing what's happening into the market. Just don't do these plays blindfolded. You got to come in with the plan. And when the plan is not working out the way that you originally intended, you need to come in and alter it. I'm going to show you all that today for Lucid. Yeah, you guys can see from a chart, I was playing the weakness into the market in Lucid, and at some point you guys say it's not going down. So what I need to do, I need to come in and make the adjustment, and obviously the market is trying to go somewhere else. So I need to make sure I join the gang. I need to make sure that I join everyone else as this price continues to move. You got to learn how to cut the losses. This is one of the biggest reasons why so many new investors and new traders lose into the market, because they continue to hold out. They continue to hope and they wish, and then they become long-term hodlers in the stock market because the market has completely fell apart to when they could at least cut the losses and minimized it. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because this is what I do. I give you all information based on price and price alone. I don't want to come in and confuse you. I don't want to come in and give you all more complexities and give you all of this analytical jargon just to confuse the mess out of you, just to make me feel good. No, this is a market. This is just like any retail store. You come in and you buy and you sell. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. But some reason people have created this mantra, this environment, to make you think that you got to have some type of technical strategy, that you got to have some major fancy technical indicator that's going to give you the holy grail as to how to become more profitable into the market. And you don't need none of that. You just need to look at what people are doing with the money. This is why I say here, money talks, but noise walks. And the money is on the price chart. Everyone else's, all of the billions of dollars that is within this company, Lucid, is already being seen on the chart. So why do I need to have technical indicators? I mean, why do I need to think about fundamental analysis? Because ultimately, what is going to move this price in Lucid is what you do. Whether you're going to buy it at this price or whether you're going to sell it at this price. This is the only thing that's going to move the market. Not what the earnings per share is going to be. Not if Lucid is coming out with a new vehicle or new model. Because if people don't care about the new car or new model, price is not going to even move. You can't even quantify. You can't even price it though. So let me show you why I may need to cut this. Okay. And it's quite simple. I did the video for Lucid last on December the 10th, right? And I gave the market opportunity to continue to give me indications of weakness. I've just been sitting the sideline watching what's been going on a day in and day out basis of the markets. And you begin to see that there were times to where price dipped, but every time the market dipped in Lucid, the buyers always showed up. So you can see from this chart, right? Look at this. The buyers showed up. This is what this means. Price in Lucid started to come down in November, beginning of the month of December. And we've been hovering here. Buyers came into the market. Okay. Now, when you understand what is really going on into the market, this lets you know that, yeah, you might want to cut this original intention of seeing the price go down and follow everyone else. You might need to do that. The buyers are coming into the market in Lucid right there around 36. Okay. So now I'm altering my thought processes of what I originally intended the stock to do, of going down, to now, okay, cool. I appreciate the market giving us this information. Because if the market truly was weak, it would not have taken this long for the market just to trade sideways. So obviously something else is going on. So yeah, I don't like what happened. So I need to cut this. So on the close of yesterday's trading day, I would have been around 12.42% loss. I understand. Yeah, it looks terrible because you think that you're doing a terrible job. You think that you're losing into the market. But if you're looking for the price to go exceedingly higher from where the current price closed yesterday, you're actually cutting it. There's no more pain to go through. 12.42% is all that you can lose. But if you continue to hold out and the price goes to $46, then you increase it half, 26%. What if it goes to 50? You're at 37.75, right? So yeah, let me get rid of that. So again, this is what's going on into the market in Lucid. Now, as I transition over to a different time frame, you'll begin to see that the market is definitely telling us some stories, right? So check this out. This market weakness right here in Lucid is where the continuation of weakness should have continued. This is where the price should have continued to fall, right here. We should have saw the price continue to go lower, and I was really expecting it to come in and bounce off this ascend line, but obviously it didn't. The buyers came in around 36 instead, because if not, we would not have had this follow-on 3-day price bar right here. Now, there still was some selling going on into the market in Lucid. Yeah, that was still definitely going on, but the market bought it. Look at this on the 2-day. So you guys can see here that the market bought the weakness. Whoever was selling, they bought it. 5-day time frame. Okay, I want you all to see this. If the market in Lucid truly was trying to go down in price, this volume would have been increased. It completely dried up the last 2 5-day price bars. Completely dried up. Okay, let's see how we ended out on the month. Now, the monthly time frame is one reason why I don't want you all to think that I'm massively bullish right now, because what happened in the month of December is definitely something that we need to consider. That we can still see price dip in the next month. Yeah, that's still on the table. Let's look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay. Look at this on the 3 weeks. 3 months. Do you see that? So in the next 3 months, I would say from the next month to 3 months, there's still weakness in this market. Okay, so I don't want you all to think that I'm massively bullish, because I'm not. Right? I'm not. We can actually see the price in Lucid come up to this particular area. Let me show you. Yeah, because I can see around $42.45 as an area of weakness. Okay. To around 44. So let me see. It's like another 7.8% movement to $44 to $45. Okay. So this will be the location to where I will be taking the profitability. It'll be around like 42.50 first. Like I said, I'm not massively bullish. That's around 4%. And then the next level will be around like 44, 45. Now, 36 will have to be maintained as support though. Okay. The market will have to trade above $36 in order for us to maintain this upward movement in Lucid. Yeah, if I could see this price in Lucid actually do this, break above $42, and let's say we got more weakness and we come down and we bounce off 42 again and go up, then yeah, 45, maybe even $48 would be next one on the table for us to be on the lookout for. Okay. So let's switch it back over to the daily. And I got $42 first, $42.50, which, like I said, gives us 3 3/4%. Next is around 44, gives us 7.66. Definitely like $45. So I'm looking around 45 though, ultimately, for Lucid. But yeah, when the market shows you otherwise, you want to come in and understand that we need to cut that original intention and follow what the market is doing. And it makes it so easy on your mentality. I mean, because you begin to see like, yeah, they'll tell you where the market is headed. So when you see that, just need to act accordingly. Look at this. Earnings is coming up on March the 2nd. So again, we might just see this market in Lucid do this until we approach March the 2nd. And then, like I said, from a monthly perspective, that weakness is still on the chart. This is why I'm not massively bullish into the space in Lucid, because I got what I saw on that monthly time frame, and the 3 months time frame lets me know that, hey, as we approach this earnings, let's not be caught off guard, because I'm definitely going to watch the market continually in Lucid, but we might just get this sideways trading until we approach that time to where the market will finally dip below where it needs to go. This is how the market really works. So yeah, I'm keeping that. That's why I'm not massively bullish and expect this market to hit like $58 to $60 because of what happened on the monthly time frame. All right, so hit me up. Give me your price prediction to the market in Lucid real quick. Tell me where you think the market's going to go for the month of January, right? Just for the month of January. Where do you think the market in Lucid is headed? Give me your price prediction. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.